from the K3LA. I will show you a good similar sound with a good diaphragm and a diaphragm of another material. This diaphragm is from a bicycle air chamber. It is more resistant. Just cut a piece and place it, and that's it. You're looking for the perfect sound. These balloons are useless. They just sound ugly and get distorted when you put a lot of air in them. Just listen to how it sounds. I do not recommend this type of plastic for diaphragms. These are better than any other plastic. Listen to what it would sound like with those plastic balloons. They sound very ugly. I don't recommend them, honestly. Listen to how these PVCs were assimilating the K3LA. Listen and tell me how it is. You can add more air to these PVCs at 150 PSI, and they don't distort at all. Have you heard how nice they sound? It's really fun to have your own train sounds. I really recommend these homemade PVC ones. If you liked the video, comment that you'd like to know about these K3LA PVC ones. See you soon, friends.